skies of a different light.
Hey all, it's Emily, and recently I got a package in the mail, and it is my Flip Fit package. So basically Flip is like a site or an app where you can go scroll through pictures of different clothing items, and you can like or dislike them, and then you can add some to your own little online closet. So I've been like liking, disliking items, adding things to my closet, and then once you do that you can order a box, and basically a stylist will go and choose a selection of items that you have added to your closet and send them to you. You can try them on, you pay 50 cents for shipping and nothing else, and then you return what you don't want and keep whatever you do want, and then once it's been returned you pay for what you decided to keep. So basically I got this package yesterday. I already unboxed it and returned it and everything, so I will be showing you the footage that I filmed yesterday in just 1 second. In this video I'm going to be unboxing this package, deciding what I want to keep and not keep, as well as taking pictures to put onto the app so that other people can go scroll through my pictures and decide whether they like it or don't like it. So anyways, let's just go and unbox this right now. Okay, so here's the package. I'm just going to start unboxing right now. So I should know what's in here because they should have chosen things that I like picked out myself, but we'll see. Okay, so that's kind of fun. Okay, I'm seeing some familiar items. Oh, that's so cute. They wrote me a personalized note. That's so cute. I love that. Aww. Okay, so this tells me everything that's in there and all of their prices and sizes and everything. Here's my shipping back label. I won't show you that. So it kind of comes wrapped in a little bit of tissue paper. And let me just pull out the first thing. Ooh, okay, I can already tell this feels nice. Oh, look how cute. Oh. Okay, so first we have this skirt. Oh look, it's so cute. It's a button-up skirt. I believe it comes with a top as well. But yeah, I think as I unbox these, I want to show like try-on clips that I will film afterwards. So you'll probably see some clips of me trying these on. So this is a floral print mini skirt from Lost in Wonder, size medium, and it is $68. I have not bought any of these yet, by the way. These are all, like, I paid 50 cents for the box to be shipped to me, and I get to try these on and decide what I want to keep, and then I also have like a bunch of credit to use. So yeah, that's so adorable. Also, I don't think I actually picked out the sizes. I just told them like the sizes that I could wear, and then they picked them for me, I guess, but this is probably the right size. We'll find out. Okay, so here's the skirt. The skirt fits so nicely, and it's like slightly stretchy. I think it's like so adorable, and I love it a lot. And then, okay, cute. Oh, okay, I already know this isn't gonna fit me, and it's very small, but it's a cute little set. So this is the front tie floral print bandeau top from the same brand, size small. No, it is not. Okay, it says it's size small, but here it says medium, so I guess they just mixed that up. And this one is $52. But yeah, we'll try those on. We'll see if I try on the top. It's very small, but that's a cute set. Oh look! Oh wait, that's so great. Okay, so it looks like they included 2 different sizes for me to try on, so I love that actually. So the top is very tiny, but I wanted to show it to you anyways. So basically the only thing keeping you in is this little tie in the front. And then that's the top. Which, as cute as like this set is together, there's no way that this is, like, there's no way. So I tried on the medium and the small on the top. They both fit, and I don't really know which one fits better. This one has more material. This is the medium, so I like it better, but they both fit. But I think it's a really cute set, but there's no way I'm keeping the top because it's just so tiny. But the skirt's adorable. I think I definitely would keep the skirt. I think like the outfit is so cute, but just if there was like a little more material, then I would 100% keep the top. But instead, we're going to just keep the skirt. And I could probably style it with any like off-white or white top, maybe cropped or tucked in. I think I'm for sure gonna keep the skirt. Moving on. Okay, cute. So next, this little jumpsuit. That's, ooh. It cuts off very short because I'm a tall person, but it's pretty cute. Okay, so this is the striped strapless crop jumpsuit from Elan, size medium, and it is $60. So that's what that looks like. I think the colors are cute, but it looks very like short on my legs. I'll show you, a clip of it and you'll see. but that's cute. Okay, here is piece number 2. So this one, I love the colors on it, and I love the little tassel tie in the front. I think it's very cute, but it's very like short on me, and I really hate pants that do that because they just look really weird and kind of bad in my opinion. And there's pockets, which I love, but the pockets are like kind of small for this type of piece. I would expect them to be like bigger and more like flowy. It's cute, but it's also like kind of see-through. I don't know, I like the colors. I think it's cute, it's comfy, perfect beach outfit. So we'll see what happens with this one. Okay, next. This one's from Free People. Okay, cute. I vaguely remember choosing all of these out. So this isn't exactly my style, but I think I just wanted to try it out because it's cute. So this is the fitted ruffled hem elbow sleeve crop top from Free People, size medium, $58. So that's a cute basic. Okay, so here's the next top. I paired it with some light wash jeans because I thought those would fit nicely for the time being. And so this is a like ruched halfway length sleeve that's like kind of off the shoulder but like kind of not. I'm not sure exactly like if I'm supposed to wear it like as sleeves, as like kind of off the shoulder, or as like completely off. But I think I would style it like slightly off. I think it's really cute. I just don't know if it's like, you know, my type of shirt. It's cute. Like, I think it's really cute. I could style it with some things. I'm just not sure if it's like my favorite thing. So this is like a maybe. It's cute, but I don't love it, but I like it. Okay, next. Oh, they're navy. Oh, they're too big. Oh no. Yeah, okay. So these are some like navy overalls. Roll cuff overalls from Rollia's, size small. And they're $129. Are we sure this is size small? It says size small. They look really big, but we'll try them on. Okay, so here's the next item. I paired it with a white shirt underneath just to like keep it basic and focus on the item. So this is a size small, which should fit. There's just so many things wrong with this. I really don't like it. Like, I chose this out, but the person from like whatever picture I liked it from must have styled it really good, because I am not liking it at all. It's like, it's supposed to, you know, pants are supposed to fit about right here, and if I cinch it up, then it's like better. But it's just really big and baggy, and it just hits really low on me, and it just feels like it's falling off, and I can't make it go like much higher up here. But also there's like, okay, my shirt's covering, but there's like a huge gap. That's my shirt underneath, and like, if I wasn't wearing a longer shirt, then you would, like, what? I don't understand. So this is definitely not keeping this at all. It's so awful. So I'm gonna take it off right now. Okay, cute. We have a nice little jacket. Okay, this is the Elastic Hem Crop Vegan Leather Jacket from Blank NYC, size small, and it is $128. Which means I probably won't keep this because it's expensive, but it's cute to try on. Okay, so here's the next item. It's a cropped fake leather jacket. So I'm wearing it with the white shirt and light wash jeans again. I probably would like actually pair it with a high-rise jeans just because it's like cropped and it would like, you know, just pair better together and there wouldn't be like an awkward space. I think it's pretty cute and I like it. I would wear it, but it's spring turning into summer, so I wouldn't be able to wear it for a while. But it's like definitely a cute basic, like essential closet item. I think it's pretty cute, but the price is throwing me off a little bit. I'm not sure if I would be willing to spend $128 on a jacket. I do like it. And it's got like, you can close it up all the way like that. You can roll it up partially. It's very functional. But yeah, it's cute. And I like it. Okay, so now, oh cute, okay. So I have some overall shorts. They also look very big, but we'll see. Okay, these are denim overalls from Boyish, size small, and they're $69. And that is the last thing in this box. Okay, here is the last item. It is some short overalls. And I've been actually looking for a pair of short overalls that I liked for a little bit now, because I have some like longer ones. And I wanted some like summer ones. I think it's pretty cute. You know, it's got nice pockets, even pockets in the front. Oh wow. Wait, I could stick a pen in these pockets or like a chapstick or stuff. There's a bunch of pockets on the front. So that's cute and fun. I like them, but it's also like the other shirt. I don't like love them, but I do like them. I would wear them. It's like a basic essential like closet item, I would say. For essential items that I like want in my closet, I typically tend to look for a good one and then never end up finding one, and then settle for something that's not like perfect, but I still end up loving it and using it a lot. So this is like one of those things. Like, I would definitely wear this and use it, but I would keep looking. So we'll see if I end up like keeping this, but I think it's pretty cute, but not perfect. Okay, so now I'm supposed to, I think I have like 3 days to return the box. So I'm going to try them all on, maybe style some outfits and decide what I want to keep or not to keep. So let's do that right now. So I went through and I decided which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to return. And on the app, you can also upload pictures of yourself wearing the like clothes, and then people on the app can like or dislike them. So I did that, and I might show some of the pictures or some of the results later in this video, so I might show that. Anyways, I'm gonna go through and like tell you which ones I'm keeping and not keeping. So first we have the little floral top, and there was 2 of them because there was 2 different sizes. And so these I am not keeping either of them just because they don't really cover much, they're not very supportive, they're just not a really good fit, even though they're cute. So those ones I shall be returning. And with that we have the matching skirt. So this one I will be keeping because I think it's super adorable, it fits well, perfect for summer to wear on the beach or wherever, so I will be keeping this one. Okay, next we had this sleeveless jumpsuit, and this one I thought was super cute. It fit right, but it was just a little bit short, and I will be keeping this one because I think it's super cute, perfect for the beach. It's very airy and light, and I'll just have to live with the fact that it's not long enough on me because I have to live with that for most of the pants that I wear, so it'll be fine. I'm keeping this, it's cute. Okay, next we have this white ribbed top that's kind of off the shoulder. I think this one's pretty cute. It's slightly itchy on the inside, but very soft on the outside, so that's interesting. I like the fit of it, and I think it's really cute. I just don't think it's like, you know, the perfect top for me. So I will not be keeping this one. Okay, next we had these navy overalls. They were very big and baggy on me, and they fit very awkwardly, so I will not be keeping these ones. Okay, next I have this faux leather jacket. It's slightly cropped, it fits nice, it's got a slightly baggy fit to it. I think it's super adorable on, and I really love it. But I will not be keeping it because it is $128. So that is going back. Okay, the last item was these overall shorts. I think these are cute, they fit pretty well, but the fit wasn't perfect, and they're not exactly the pants or like short style that I like. So I will not be keeping these either. So out of all of these, I will be keeping these 2 items, the striped jumpsuit and the floral skirt. The floral skirt would be $68 and the jumpsuit would be $60, but I already placed my order, told them what I was keeping, and I ended up paying $0 for these 2 things because I had enough credits to cover it. So I'm very happy about that, and now I have to go and just package everything back into the box that they sent in. I already put the new shipping label on it, and they're going to come pick it up tomorrow between like 9 and 5. I'm gonna go package this back in the box, and then I'll be back for the outro later. Okay, so today is another day, and basically I have the 2 items that I decided to keep right here. And today I had the package left on the porch, and then somebody came and picked it up from like, you know, the shipping company. And so that is all good and done with. I ended up posting those pictures. Yeah, so basically that's it. I didn't even have to pay anything for these 2 pieces. It just used credits. So that's really exciting that I can do that. So now I'm more motivated to go click through some more items and get some more points. I definitely think I will be ordering another flip box again eventually sometime, because I think this was a really, you know, fun thing, getting to try on some clothing items and then keep a few. without having to pay for them. I think that's really great. So yeah, definitely comment if you want to see another one, and subscribe as well because it'll be coming out in the future, probably eventually one day. And anyways, I post every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so stay tuned for more videos on my channel. And that is the entire video. I will see you next time. Bye!